this is Calvin from Teddy Nissan, and I'm here to help you connect your phone to your 2018 Nissan Maxima. First, you press on the voice commander.
You can interrupt voice prompts and speak a command immediately.
Make sure you keep your phone on you at all times.
You can also use the
And every time it beeps, that's when you talk.
Select an item from the displayed list. Please say or select a command.
Phone.
Phone. Please say or select a command from the displayed list.
Add phone.
Add phone. Following to complete.
That's when you go on your phone,
with your handset.
go to your Bluetooth device. It's gonna show up as My Maxima. Once it shows up, you click on it. Make sure the number's paired. You're paired, allowed everything, and now you're paired. With this, you'll be able to listen to music, pick up calls, text messages, and even call.
Brought to you by Teddy Nissan, the huggable dealer.